So how do you fix the time change in the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials like this one. Well, if your Apple Watch doesn't display the proper time, it's possible that when you go to the settings app and from the available options scroll all the way to the clock section, you can see we have the plus and the number of minutes, right? And it is like a feature to bump up the time or adjust it slightly, right? And if you have the time added, like if you have added a multiple minutes to the clock, right, it might not display the proper time, right? So it is for different alerts and for different I don't know, apps. So you just bump it up by that amount of time. But it's probably not something that I would personally do. It's not really something that I would just get the most out of, and this is also something that you probably don't want to choose either. But also another thing might be that you are using a watch face which is displaying the world clock, right? So you may not see the the local clock, but you might also have the world clock right there, and you just want to make sure that you perhaps switch to a different watch face where it's much better to see the actual time, and you'll get the most out of your Apple Watch by having the obviously the precise and accurate clock. But at the end of the day, the most changes need to be done on the iPhone. So there on your iPhone settings, just make sure you go to the settings general section, and there you can find a date and time. And personally, I would recommend you to set it to automatically, because this will allow you to have the most precise time based on your location, and you don't have to worry about it. Even if you travel, right, it will always be switched on your iPhone as well as on the Apple Watch to the correct time. So that's how it works. Let me know which of these things was messing with your time. So let me know about that in the comments. Most definitely stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.